Hello, my little Mickey Mouse. Okay, what are we going to do today? Well, this is a 2006 £2 coin from the good old UK. So the first thing on the agenda is I can't punch it out because you can't make a ring out of these two bits. So I'm going to make two separate rings. The centerpiece is going to become a ring and the outer piece is going to become a ring. So let's punch this out. Let's go over to Big Bertha. No, we won't. Let's go over to Big Red. And we'll punch that out. Like so. Right. Put our little... That's good. Right. That ain't looking too bad. Okay, I've just annealed it, which you've seen me do 1,000 times before. So we'll start it off in our doming block called Dimples. And we need a big ball bearing, because obviously this one would fit straight through. So we'll go back over to Big Red, and we'll give it a bit of the old 1-2 again. Right, how's that looking? That ain't looking too shabby. You want one of these 17-degree folding die. That ain't too shabby either. Right, go back over to Big Red. We just want to... handle on my thing is not doing too clever. Right, that's good. Right, there we go. Right, so now we want a piece of kitchen roll, my coin, and then we want to go over to see the main boss in the house, which is, well, besides my girlfriend, I think she's the top dog, followed by Spike. There he is, my little ring stretcher. And he stretches your ring. It's going to be quite a big ring. It's got quite a big hole in it. But I can reduce them, I can make these smaller. Not looking too shabby. Give it a bit more. Hope everybody's doing fantastic today. Beautiful day today. -2 this morning, but it's a blue sky. No wind. The trees are looking stunning. A bit like me, really. I'm looking stunning today as well. Right. Now that's pretty good. So now we want to go down to the bottom end of Spike. And these are reduction dies. And we're just looking to find one. I might have to change this to Big Daddy, yeah. This is Big Daddy. I was just looking to find one. I'm just looking to straighten them walls up. And there we have one. There's a bit there. There's a little bit there. Look at that, eh? Technology for you. Bit of zooming in. Make sure it's nice and level. Does it look level to you? Square. There you go, look at that. Lovely and square. So, let's keep it zoomed in, shall we? You can see a bit more. Kate bush is already installed. Just looking to clean up that edge from the fire escape. And tomorrow I will make a ring from the centre part of the £2 coin. I think that's my favourite ring of all time. It reminds me of the Predator. I've made a couple of these on my channel before, I think, or one for sure. Right, let's take out Kate and we'll put in Felton John. And the polish, here we go. I'll just take the lid off, especially for beer. Here you go, beer. I'm taking the lid off. You know me but too well by now, beer. You know what I'm up to. Right, let's give it a bit of the old hoochie coochie coo. I'm off to see a band tonight. Wasp. Any of you guys out there heard of them? Seen them? Right, let's see what we got, shall we? Clean off the old mingers a bit. I was just talking to my friend Paul in Australia. He's a star player. Very nice guy, and his wife. She's chatting in the background. I can hear us talking to him. He's asked me to go out there a couple. I'd love to go out there to Australia. It was -2 this morning. I was chatting to him. He said it's +40. He said it's just too hot. Too hot to do anything. Right, how's it looking? There you go. One £2 coin ring. Come on, nice, isn't it? And that's where you use the kitchen roll. Where is she? There she is, Elizabeth. Rule Britannia! Right, what size we get? This is a size, you always measure from the reeded side. This is milled. Same thing, it's the thickest part of the coin. And this is a size 13. There's no lip in these ones. And tomorrow I'll be making it out of the centre part of this coin. So I'll be making it out of the centre part of this coin. That's also going to become a ring. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, why haven't you? Come on, hit that button, bottom right hand corner of this video. Where is it? There, you hit that button. Come on, stop mucking about. Hit it, hit it, hit it. That's good, 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 good. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Stuff happens and all that sort of jazz. But there you go. Have a great weekend. Keep smiling. I hit the like button. Gary, Sarah, Bear, the two Ians, Alan, Paul from Australia, Steve, Claire, Joseph, from Japan, you know who you are, and Gator. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow. So bye-bye.